so far. It's so deep. Here from the Traveling Foxes, and I am here in Boracay. I just checked into Tides Hotel and I have unpacked everything. I'm having my drone charged, and then I just realized that I forgot my microphone. This is what happens when you pack everything a few hours before you fly out. I wasn't feeling too well last night, so I decided to pack like at 4 a.m. this morning, and my flight was at 8. Here's to hoping the audio is good for this one. I'll be speaking a little louder. Currently, I'm just waiting for my call time because I will be doing some shots here in the hotel, and then we will be going outside to experience the new Boracay. So even if I'm in Boracay for work, it is an opportunity for me to go around and see the changes of Boracay after its 6-month closure. One of the best things about going to the beaches in the Philippines is that it's empty when the sun is out. It's almost like I got the beach to myself. I'm on my way to do my first scene, and it's so hot. Can't wait to swim later.
This one, but I'm going to shine. Personality and but it's more.
What? Hi. Hello. Yes. Hello.
Sama ba kami dyan? Or siguro pwedeng...
A lot of people who haven't been here yet ever since the closure are expecting big changes in Boracay, but I've been around and Boracay is Boracay. It's giving the same feel, except it's cleaner and I guess more secure because there are a lot more police and guards walking around. I have never seen any single-use plastic being used in the island. Those are utensils and even straws, so I haven't seen any plastic straws, all paper straws. And the second thing is I've been seeing signs around saying that this is a no smoking zone, so that is good for non-smokers like me. At least this way you can enjoy the island without inhaling any of the secondhand smoke from other smokers. I was expecting a few things that didn't happen. I expected no hawkers, which was one of the things they wanted to implement, and no beach sand castles, but there are a few. Have a look. So here I am on the sand, just enjoying the Boracay sunset because it's just so beautiful. But I'm possibly sharing it with 5,000 other people. They're doing some behind the scenes. Behind the scenes for food. So that's the best part. At least we can eat the food after the shoot. of Boracay today, and we are in Station 1, just by the famous rock, and we're gonna do some drone shots.
I know that we can go higher if we keep our faith, if we keep our faith. Sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing in me.
End of my Boracay trip. We just finished shooting and I'm a bit of a mess because we were trying to do handstands on the sand. It was a lot of fun. So my conclusion for Boracay after the closure is that you really feel the difference in the evening because there's no more beach parties. Normally you would be so used to seeing all the barbecue stands come out, all the live bands come out on the sand, and that's no longer there. During the daytime, it doesn't feel much different. It feels the same. Except it feels also a lot cleaner than it used to be because they have removed single-use plastics such as plastic straws and also plastic cups. So it does feel a lot cleaner. So yeah, overall Boracay for me gives the same vibe as it did before the closure, but it's just a lot cleaner now. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the Traveling Foxes and I'll catch you guys later. Before I forget, I want to say thank you to Caveman Travels for inviting me here to Boracay. I will leave their link below. If you guys want travel advice, do visit their website. It's pretty awesome. Thanks.